What is a morpheme and why does it matter? What's the lesson about? Today you will learn that English spelling represents sounds and meaning. In this lesson you'll learn ways to spell and read longer words easily. There are meaning chunks that are reused in many words, and identifying these chunks helps us read and spell faster. Look at this word, helpful. What does it mean? Can you use it in a sentence? If you're being helpful, you're likely being supportive, assistive, or accommodating to another person's goals or aims. You are helping them. Let's look at another word. Unhelpful. What does this word mean? Can you use it in a sentence? If you're being unhelpful, you might be ineffectual, damaging, or even harmful to the other person's goals or aims. You are not helping them. Which part of the word gives away the meaning? That's right, it's the un at the beginning. Un is an example of a prefix that is fixed before the base and changes the meaning of the word. Let's look at this one. Building. What does building mean? Can you use it in a sentence? If you're building, you might be constructing, as in building a new home, shaping, as in building the culture of our school, or growing, as in the tension was building. In this word, rebuilding, something has either been damaged or destroyed, and we need to rebuild it over again. We need to redo it. Which part of the word gives away the meaning change in this word? That's right, it's re. Re is an example of another prefix that changes the overall meaning of the word. Just like previews come before the main movie, preschool comes before elementary school or primary school. Prefixes are fixed before the base and change the overall meaning of the word. These chunks are called morphemes. Can you say the word morpheme? How many syllables does it have? Morpheme. 2. How many sounds does it have? M, or, f, e, m. 5. There are 3 main kinds of morphemes that we're going to learn today. The first one is prefix that's fixed before the base. The base is the core kernel of meaning in the word, and the suffixes are fixed after the base. Once we know many of these reoccurring chunks in English, we can read and spell thousands of words because they get reused over and over, like in the words unhelpful, unhealthy, and unbelievable. Isn't that so cool? English isn't a matter of memorising the spelling and meanings of thousands of words. We can just learn these chunks and use them over and over again. Some words even have more than one prefix, suffix, or even base, as in unpredictable, unhelpfully, and someone. So to sum it all up, English words are made up of morphemes. They get reused over and over in different words. Learning to spot and spell morphemes helps us read and spell longer words easily. It's your turn. Divide your mini whiteboard or page into 3 columns. Label them prefix, base, and suffix. Find a book and write as many examples as you can in 3 minutes. Can you name the 3 kinds of morphemes and where they come in relation to the base? Now you know English isn't an irregular system that only represents sounds. It also represents meaning. We hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and if you'd like to explore more mind-blowing word study resources, head over to morphologyhub.com.